Happy Vlogmas, guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make this breaded cheesy chicken. Alright guys, so I have my chicken. I like the chicken strips, they're just easier. They're still a little frozen, but that's okay. My eggs and my Italian breadcrumbs with some cheddar cheese in it. So what I'm going to do is try to keep one hand wet, one hand dry. So, alright, use my one hand, dip it in an egg, and then throw it over here into my mixture. So I'm going to try to get a lot of the cheese and breadcrumbs, flip it around, just make sure it's coated really well. You can add more cheese on top of it once it gets in the pan, which is what I'm going to do. And I have a 9x13 pan, and I sprayed it with a little bit of cooking oil, and I'm just going to place it right in there. So I'm just going to repeat that. Set your oven now, if you want to 400. My oven heats up pretty quick, so let's do that now. Quick. This is what it looks like now.
Yum,
we're gonna
have
Adriana add some cheese. Want to put some cheese on it?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. It's all the way in there. We're just gonna put it on. Good job. Do a little more. You gotta sprinkle it, right? Ah, good job. Alright. Perfect. Good job, bud. Next, you're going to take some dried parsley, which I don't know what day this is going like. This might be day 13. This cooked with me. So yesterday was my pantry and spice cabinet, and so I know my parsley is not expired because I just went through that yesterday. So let's sprinkle some of that. We're going to cover it with our foil, and once the oven reaches 400, we're going to put it in there for about 35 minutes. Okay, our oven is at 400, so we're just going to put our covered chicken on the middle rack, push it in there, and then set our timer for 35 minutes. After the 35 minutes is up, you're going to take your chicken out and take the foil off. You can put it back in for another 10 minutes to brown. In that time, you can make your sauce. To make the sauce, you will put your cream of chicken soup, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and 2 tablespoons of butter to simmer. I made it with green beans and mac and cheese. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know below if you made the recipe, and like and subscribe to my channel. Talk to you guys later. Bye.